This is a short review of the Redwood Coast Cabins and RV Resort in Eureka, California, where we stayed in June of 2021. Be sure to stay to the end for drone footage. These first shots are of our campsite, which was nice and had lots of shade and trees, and there was hardly anyone around us. As you'll see later in the video, the other end of the park was more crowded. The fire pits were small and so were the picnic tables, but they were fine for just the three of us. The park has several amenities like mini golf, giant chess, and checkerboards, but as you can see, they were very worn out and not maintained, and about 90% weeds. Quite a contrast to the few pictures on their website. When we went to the office for golf clubs and balls, they required a cash deposit of $10 per person, which you get back, but we didn't have any cash with us at the time, and it was kind of a turn-off. I mean, they know where to find us, and it definitely wasn't very resort-like, especially with the condition it was in. There is a nice playground and a small pool with jacuzzi, and these were in great condition. There are also a few cabins on property that you can rent. The laundry room was clean and tidy, but we didn't happen to use it while we were there. To the right of the laundry is the long-term residence area. Unfortunately, we saw and heard a female staff member screaming at what I believe was a long-term resident about the fact that he wasn't doing his job. Her tirade was full of the F word and not exactly family friendly. This is the other end of the park that I mentioned was more crowded. You get a better view now coming up in the drone footage. There's the office and the entrance on the left, and you can see it's conveniently located near the 101 and right next to the Humboldt Bay. The email we received prior cautioned us that the GPS may lead you astray, but we didn't have any problems, so that was great. But when I told the staff that the directions were fine, she got defensive as if I was criticizing their decision to include this info, when really I was just wanting to tell her that the directions had worked well. I don't know, maybe she was having a bad day. As I mentioned, our visit was in June 2021. We paid $52 for full hookups for one night, and this included a $2.50 resort fee, though I'm not sure what was covered in this fee. Overall, our stay was okay, not great, but not horrible. I mean, it was fine for a quick one-night stop, though I don't think we'd stay again for this price, as we were a little disappointed in the condition of the park, especially with what we were expecting based on what was on the website. I really hope this review was helpful in some way, and if it was, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.